Hi friends, this video is going to be a tutorial on how to make these paper quilled earrings. So for this project you will need 3mm paper quilling strips, 1 yellow color, 2 dark blue color and 2 light blue color, and then a maroon color single strip. And some decoupage glue, and then a quilling tool, as usual the jump rings and the hooks to make them into earrings, and some flat back resin pieces to decorate them. So let's get started. As you can see, I have glued all the paper quilling strips. The first one is yellow, followed by 2 dark blue, and then in the end I have 2 light blue strips. Now I'm going to quill them into a coil. Start quilling with yellow as your inside part and end it with the light sky blue. As you can see, now I have quilled the yellow color and now the dark blue color is being quilled. I have quilled the entire paper, and then now I'm going to glue this end and remove it from the quilling tool. The coil is ready. Now I will share with you how to make it into earring. Just take this coil and take the maroon color paper strip and just place it around it like this, and try to make a teardrop shape with hand. It is a freehand thing, you don't have to coil it using anything. Just place it around and just check how long you want the earrings to be. I just want them to be this size, so glue that area. So I'm going to glue it somewhere around here, and then I will show you how to wrap it up. Glue the area here so you get a shape like this, and then you have to wind this coil around. I will share with you how to do it. You see, I have removed the coil, and then I am just going to wind the outer portion like this. Glue it first and then make it into a teardrop shape. You can either do it with some kind of mold. I like to do it in freehand. So this is how it will look. I have made this base, though this base is not perfect, it's okay, we can alter it. And now I will share with you how to insert the coil inside this teardrop. Glue the coil around this area and then place it inside this ring. I'm going to gloss this earring and add flat back resin pieces and set it aside for half an hour. As you can see, I have glossed them and then it is drying. After that it will become like this, and then we can convert these two into a pair of earrings.